this case we're gonna diagnose the brake light. You wanna go to control units. You can also do an auto scan and it'll display the codes from all the systems in the vehicle. But let's go to control units since we know that we are dealing with the brake light here. So you want to look for brake module or ABS and DSC, and it's right under chassis. But you can look at other options as well. But let's go to chassis. Let's go to ABS and dynamic stability control unit. Press enter. This software here needs updating. You want to go read codes, and then you can see here brake pad wear, rear axle brake pads is present, and then brake pad wear front axle is present. So both of these are present. That's the reason why we have the brake light on. So usually when that light comes on, or those two codes come on, when you replace the brake pads, but don't replace the wear brake sensor. Once you do replace the sensors, then you can come back and erase. You go under service, and then you can erase the brake light service. Now you go under service maintenance, press enter, CBS reset, and then here you can see where you'll reset it. Front brakes and rear brakes. It was reset it right there. Front brakes 100% left, remaining life that is, and rear brakes 0%. So you'll press F3 to reset it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.